Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial video today. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove blank pages from Microsoft Word. So as you can see, I have about I have about 8 different pages here that I would like to remove a blank page in. So now, in case you want to remove a page but it's not really a blank page, maybe the page has a content on it, then it also comes back to removing blank page. So usually what you have to do is Microsoft doesn't really have something that is specific that you click on it or that will delete a page. So basically the idea of deleting pages, you have to make the page blank, then you'll be able to delete. So if you have a page that have a content, let's say I would like to delete this page, which I know is having a content. What I have to do is to just remove the content, highlight it, and delete the content on the page. Then now the page becomes blank. So it means now I can delete the blank page now. Now I'm going to teach you about 4 different ways that I use to delete blank pages in Microsoft Word. So one of the ways is now the page which you want to delete. So right now I have a blank page here right before this. So if I want to delete this page, now you have to put the mouse cursor somewhere on the page. So you have to hit on the backspace. So it depends on how many times you have to hit on the backspace until delete. Sometimes you just hit on it once, depending on where the cursor is. Then the blank page goes. Sometimes you have to delete. You have to click on the backspace about 3 or 4 times. So you just have to take it a step at a time. If you click on the backspace once, you have to wait for about 1 second or 2 seconds. If the page is not gone, you have to click on it again. As soon as so far as you are seeing the blinking cursor here. So in my case, I have my blinking cursor here. So on my keyboard, I'm going to hit on the backspace. So you can see now my second blank page is gone. I don't have any blank page here. So this is one of the ways and this ways usually works for me about 90%. It doesn't work 100% all the time. So it's important that you have to know the other ways as well, so that you, in case one doesn't work, you also try the one. So the other way I do this is now, I also, since I removed this blank page, let's also look for another blank page here. So I also have another blank page here. So the other way I do is now, I go to on my view contextual tab on the Word. I go to the view. That in the show pane, you can see we have something called navigation pane. So if I check on it, this allows me to enable the navigation pane. So the navigation pane enables at the left side of my Word application. So at the left side of my Word application, you can see we have pages here. So I'm going to select it, the pages. So you can see this is displaying all the pages I have on my navigation pane. So I have about 7 pages now. So now, what I can do is I can click, let's say I want to delete this page 4 here. You can see this page 4 is selected. So it depends on which page you want to select. So if I select page 4, I want to delete on this page 4. I'll select it here and hit on backspace on my keyboard. So you can see page 4 is gone. So once again, let's say I also want to remove this. So if I click on this, I also hit on backspace on my keyboard. So you can see now the page is gone. Sometimes you have to hit on the backspace like about 2 times. Like I said, if we click on the backspace once, sometimes it may not work. You have to, if there's a need to click on it second time, you have to click on the backspace for the second time. It will go. So you can see now I have about 6 pages left now. So another way is, let's say, also this also works for me 90%, so it's not also 100%. So let's say I'm here now. One of the ways that I also use to delete page. So this works for me 100% all the time. Okay. So if the other previous method doesn't work for you, you can also try this. So this way, what you do is, now what causes blank page in Word is the line break. The line break is actually what causes a blank page. The line break between a paragraph at the end of the paragraph and the page break. That's what causes the blank space. So for example, now if I should go to my home contextual tab, now you can see we have at the paragraph section, we have something that calls show or hide paragraph right here. So if I should click on this show or hide paragraph, you can see now there's this show or hide paragraph symbol that appears. Now this marks each paragraph that I have in my document. So at the end of every paragraph, you are going to see, at the end of the whole paragraph in one line, you see a page break. So if I come here like this, I have a page break here. So you can see this paragraph ends here and this paragraph also starts here. So the place where this paragraph ends and this paragraph starts, we have something called page break. You can see we have this page break here. Now what is causing this blank space between the page under here? You can see we have no content here. This is what we call page break. So this page break is usually what causes the whole blank page there. So let's say I want to remove this blank page here, add it down here. Now I'm going to target the page break right above the paragraph on this blank page here. So if you look at this, you can see we have a page break here. So what you have to do is you have to highlight this page break here. You have to highlight this page break here. Then you are going to delete it. I don't know if you are getting it. So when you delete it, you can see now I don't have any blank page here. So that page break is what's causing the blank page under there. So let's try again. Now let's say right here, I also want to insert a new page. So blank page. So you can see I have a blank page between this and this. Now let's say I want to remove this blank page. Okay, once again, you have to select this as well. You hit on the delete. So you can see now that page is gone. So after that, you can go back to your home, then unshow the paragraph. After you have removed your blank page, whatever, you can go back and click on this again. If in case you have any blank page, you can also select this, look for page break, wherever that page is, then you delete it. So as soon as you delete it, that page goes. So this is how I particularly remove blank pages in my Word document. So if in case any of this method doesn't work for you, you can also comment. Okay, so I also find another method that works for you and also make a video on it. And also don't forget to like this video, guys. Also don't forget to like this video. This video is really helpful. You just have to hit the thumbs up for me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you.